Hi YouTube, so this is the second wall and I'm doing a Roblox theme. So this is their family avatars behind me, which I've sketched on the wall, and I'm going to start colouring that in. So I'm working on the second mural now, the Roblox mural, and a little tip I'd like to show you: I've put this tape here and I've put tape along the skirting. The reason for the tape here, I folded it up so it catches any splatters of paint that may fall down and go onto the rest of the wall. We've got a few down here, but I've just added this tape now, and I've put little balls of tape underneath to support it, so it's like a ledge, and it will just hopefully catch any of the little splats that fall down to reduce any muck and paint at the bottom of the mural. That's a little tip there. So yeah, Roblox characters, and we've got Abdul in the middle, that's his avatar, his daughter on the left, and his son on the right. So I'm going to start colouring those in today. Hopefully get as much as I can done today, so Friday we can start a new mural in another room. So getting there, I've done this face, and now working on Abdul's face, his avatar, doing the sunglasses. Now if you notice, I've done like a crude black line around the shades, and then I've gone over it with a purple, so like this Riga purple, and I've just sort of covered up that black and made, you can just kind of see a skinny black outline. So although it's quite fat round here, once you cover it up with the purple, you get that fine line, so cutting back with the purple. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom with a darker purple, and then for this kind of hazy reflection in the sunglasses, I'm using Vilnius, this very light purple, and that's just sprayed lightly over there using a bit of card to get a stencil edge. So holding the card like that and just spraying to get that fade. And I'm going to use a dark purple for the bottom of the sunglasses. But yes, we've got some runs here, as you can see, but the runs will be covered up with the skin tone colour in a minute once I work my way down. So it doesn't matter that we've got some runs. So that's it for today. It's starting to get dark, so I'm going to come back tomorrow, fresh eyes, and get the rest of this Roblox wall finished. Shouldn't take too much to finish. Okay, so it's day 2. I'm back, and still freezing cold, but I'm getting most of the Roblox characters filled in now with sprays. I'm nearly there, and then I can start going over with some fine detail, maybe use some Posca pens or some paintbrushes just to get the little details in there. But we're getting the base colours in now, then we'll finish off with some details. Right, so yeah, just had a lunch break. We've got the majority of it filled in. Now I'm going to add the detail with some Posca paint pens and just finish it off.
What about if we put
What about if we cut the skirt?
Then it's proper so.
What if we cut the skirt?
Yeah.
Cut the skirting from the floor up.
But doesn't need to cut the skirt anyway because that is thick. It's same. It comes out in front of it.
Okay, that's fine.
Comes in front of the skirting. It comes in front of the skirting because it's about that thick.
Yeah, but it's going to be away from the wall, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
It's going to be
Still
away,
is-
definitely.
still the supporting boards behind them climbing.
Yeah.
Because it's the
They
timbers.
They're still going to keep it away from the wall as a.
Yeah, but at least the supporting things will be against the wall, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you put it here,
Still in front of it will pass the skirting board big time.
It will pass,
yeah,
definitely.
no, but what I'm saying, it will pass the skirting board, but what I mean.
So it's getting there. Using a Posca marker to do some details with. Just got one more character left. And then we're nearly done. Right, so nearly done. It's looking good. Just got a few more outlines on this last character here. But yeah, I've really found this this wall, or the last two walls, very challenging. I think it's the cold weather. It's making the spray paint spit. So the cold pressure, the cold temperature reduces the pressure of the cans. It just splatters everywhere. But anyway, I'm trying my best. Got a box of Poscas here, just helping me out. But really, it's just mainly black. Ideally, I would have liked to have had no black outline and just had clean cut spray paint corners, because Roblox there's no outlines on it. But I think because of the size of the piece and the fact that you're going to see this close up, it kind of needs a thin outline just to make it crisp. So if it was on a larger scale, I probably wouldn't use an outline, but because it's small, we're using a thin outline just to crispen up the detail.
Mark,
Yeah.
just idea from you. Sorry.
So that's it, guys. Part 2 of the installments is complete. The Roblox wall. Yeah, so the Roblox wall's done. So let's check it out now.